Speak smart English. Don't say I agree. Say I concur. Don't say very small. Say tiny. Don't say very big. Say huge. Don't say come fast. Say hurry up. Don't say help me. Say assist me. Don't say do. Say execute. Don't say right now. Say immediately. Don't say be quiet. Say what? Drop answers in the comments. English grammar. Go fishing. Go home. Go swimming. Go to school. Go to work. Go to sleep. Go on a trip. Go on vacation. Go on a date. Go for a run. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Shapes and number of sides. Triangle, 3. Quadrilateral, 4. Pentagon, 5. Hexagon, 6. Heptagon, 7. Octagon, 8. Nonagon, 9. Decagon, 10. Circle, drop your answer in the comments.